Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM's infographic feature is one of its most impressive tools, allowing you to transform PDFs, websites, notes, research papers, and other sources into visual summaries automatically. However, many users encounter problems whether the infographic stays stuck on loading, fails to generate, disappears after clicking generate, shows an error message, or never appears at all. So fortunately, most infographic generation failures are caused by source issues, browser conflicts, rollout limitations, generation quotes, or temporary server problems. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the infographic not generating in NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, verify that infographics are available in your account. So first, confirm that the infographic option actually appears in the studio panel. Okay, so recent NotebookLM updates introduced infographic creation and customization tools, but rollout timing can vary. Like if the feature is completely missing, check for accounts updates, verify regional availability, confirm that your account supports the feature. Like missing features and broken features are different problems. Okay, confirm your sources finished processing. Like infographics cannot be generated until NotebookLM fully analyzes your sources. Check for upload errors, stuck processing indicators, failed sources, red error icons. So NotebookLM generates infographics from source content, so unfinished sources often prevents regeneration. So healthy sources are required for healthy infographics. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.